Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Urban Decay Cosmetics Vice Lipstick. I have it in the color Violate, something like that, cream. This is a mini one, so it is smaller than normal lipstick, than like the normal one. I think I got this in like a holiday set or something, so it came with a few different colors. It's like hard to see. Urban Decay. Yeah, so this is a dusty purple cream with like a pink undertone, and it's really pretty. It's a really soft color. So as far as like this line of Vice lipsticks, it says prepare to get hooked. Vice lipstick comes in a massive lineup of addictive shades and indulgent finishes. Urban Decay's biggest lineup yet. Vice has it all. Bold brights, dark sexy shades, super versatile neutrals. With so much variety, it'll make your head spin. There's something for everyone, from new shades to cult favorites you thought you'd never see again. So this line has Mega Matte, which is a super intense matte, and it has Comfort Matte, which is a creamy matte, Cream, which is the original Cream Luxury, and that's what this one is. It comes in Metallized, which is cream with a high level of pearl, which is a punch of color with a sheer shiny finish, and sheer shimmer, which is a slightly transparent finish with floating pearl and a smooth texture. So the pigment load in the Vice lipstick is absolutely insane. Like, just one swipe provides an unbelievable laydown of color, and every shade applies smoothly without dragging or skipping. It hugs lips and feels amazing. It has a formula that's super creamy. The texture is super creamy, and it has really great color. The website also says that the creamy formula is loaded with nourishing ingredients. A yummy butter blend comforts, hydrates, and enhances, leaving lips soft and conditioned, never dry. It has aloe vera, jojoba, avocado, babassu oils, and that nourish and soften lips. It has a leap butter derived from Malaysian leap trees that provides long-lasting moisture. It has vitamin C and vitamin E with a hint of so it has some antioxidants in it as well. And then the last thing the website says about it, it's listed a lot, is that the Vice lipstick comes in a modernized, luxed-up version of Urban Decay's original lipstick case. The shade-matched label, including the shade name and finish, makes it easy to find the right color within the depth of your bag. So that's what they mean. This is the shade-matched label. So the label is the same color as the shade, or it's supposed to be. It's pretty accurate, I would say. So it's not a liquid lipstick, it is a regular lipstick. It has the little wheel down here that you turn. And like I said, this is a mini one, but I've had it for a couple of months. It's September, and I got it for around Christmas time last year. So about 9 months I've had this, and I use it maybe once a week. It's a really neutral pink, so it's a nice go-to like everyday color, and I get usually like a lot of compliments when I wear this. And like I said, it lasts a while. So this is once a week for like 8 months, and it's a mini, and that's how much product I have left. It'll probably last me honestly like another good 6 months or so. So it is a regular lipstick, so it has like that angled side to it, which is really nice because that always adds for a nice precise application. I sometimes will use a pencil, like a lip liner with it first, just because I feel like that's really, with like regular lipsticks like this, I think that using a pencil before is just going to make application even easier and make sure that you don't get it like that you're only filling in the lines of your lip. It's also really long lasting. So I put this on like in the morning, and by the time I get off of work 9 hours later, even after eating, I don't have to reapply it. Maybe to like my waterline a little bit, but for the most part I don't really have to reapply it. It still looks really great. Like the description said, it comes in several colors. I have it in 5 different colors, and they're all pretty neutral colors. I have one that's more of like a really bold metallic purple, which I like to use when I go out, and it lasts all night, even through as many like taking sips of drinks or like dinner or whatever. It still lasts all night, and I always get a lot of compliments on the fact that it lasts so long, because my friends' lipstick sometimes will, by the end of dinner, be completely faded, and mine is not. So this is just a really great lipstick. Even the mini ones last a long time, so I can just imagine what their full-size one would look like. And I highly recommend this lipstick. You can literally get it in any kind of shade that you are looking for. You can get it in reds, you can get it in pinks, you can get it in neutrals, you can get it in bold, like a purple or blue. You can get it in sheer so that it's like very subtle. And so yeah, this is just a really great lipstick, and I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.